Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to start the new chapter, chapter number 8, Introduction of Teshinama System. Let's have a brief introduction about the chapter. There are two methods of writing accounts which are prevalent. First is double entry system and second is Teshinama system. Teshinama is the Indian system. It differs from region to region, community to community, and from business to business. Under this system, books are written in regional languages. It is older than double entry system and is complete in itself. In this system, the books are known as Vahi, and therefore this system is also known as Vahi Khata Paddhati. Now let us be more clear. What is the Shinama accounting system? See, this bookkeeping system, which was used in the ancient times, is still prevalent. This is similar to double entry system, but it is structurally different from double entry system. In this system, one book is Rojmail, which satisfies the requirement of cash book and journal, and the other book is Khata Vahi. This system is also known as Bahi Khata system. Now let us see characteristics of Teshinama system. Under that, first point is about books. The books under Teshinama are covered with the red cloth and are hardbound. A design is made on this cover by thick string. These books are in the vertical form and contain plain white blank sheets and tied with the strings. However, nowadays simple books of accounts with lined pages are also in use. Next point, Vikram Samvat. Deshinama is usually maintained for a Vikram Samvat year, that is for Kartak Sat Ekam to Asovat 30 Amas. Nowadays, it is also maintained as per income tax rules for a financial year from 1st April to 31st March. Now, third is page for puja. On the first page of Rojmail or Betomail, the businessman writes the name of God he worships and also writes a prayer to the god like Shri Ganeshai Namah. Shri Lakshmi Mata Jinu Tej Hajo, etc. This page is termed as puja page. No accounting entry is recorded on this page. Fourth point is use of the word Shri. In Deshinama, while recording an entry in the Rojmail, Batomail, or subsidiary books, the name of the account is preceded with the word Shri. Example, if interest account is to be written, it will be written as Shri Vyaj Khate. Shri is considered as sign of omen. Now next is fifth point, Sal or folds. The pages in each of the books of accounts are with folds. Rojmail, Batomail, or Khatavahi have pages with 8 folds, but pages in subsidiary books have 6 folds. However, now in changing times, pages without folds and with columns drawn are being used. Now, 6th point, credit, that is Jama, and debit, that is Udhar side. In the books for Deshinama system, out of total 8 folds, first 4 folds on the left hand side are known as Jama, that is credit side, and the remaining 4 folds as Udhar, that is debit side. Thus, the left hand side is known as Jama side and the right hand side is known as Udhar side. Now let us see next point, methods of writing in fold or sal. In Deshinama, while recording a transaction in Rojmail or Batomail on either the credit or debit side, the amount of the economic transaction is recorded in the first fold of the side. In the remaining 3 folds, the name of the account affected and the debit or credit to it is written. Below the name of the account, a brief detail or narration of the economic transaction is given, and below such brief detail or narration, ledger folio number is written in the third or fourth fold. In Deshinama, the name of the account of the transaction is written after drawing a line. Generally, the first fold is for the amount and the remaining three folds are for the particulars of the transaction. Now, next point, method of writing the amount. While entering the amount in Deshinama books, a sign known as Ulayo is put between the amount in rupees and paise. Many businessmen nowadays use the sign of equality instead of Ulayo. Now, next point, language. Books of account in Deshinama system are written in the regional language. For example, in Gujarat, Deshinama is written in Gujarati language. Then next point, ink. Generally, Deshinama is written in black ink. However, the blue ink is also used nowadays. So, dear students, go through the video. Keep on learning. That's all today. That's all for today. Thank you very much.